Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Joe and I'm an independent cloud consultant based in Sydney, Australia. This is a video series which will help you prepare for your Azure AI Engineer Associate certification. We will go through questions very similar to the exam and discuss in detail each and every options provided. A basic knowledge of Azure AI services will be helpful to better understand these questions. I took one training to prepare for the certification and it was incredibly helpful and got me through the exam. I would highly recommend this training and the link will be provided in the description. So let's get into the video. The format of the question which we are going to discuss in this particular video is there will be a code snippet provided and you have to complete the code based on the requirement present in the question. So one thing to mention is that while you start your actual exam, they will ask in which programming language you need the code. So they provide two options. One is Python and other is C#. I selected Python. You can select whichever language based on your knowledge. So when there is a question with any code, it will appear in that programming language. Now let us get into the question. The following is a Python function which will be used for creating an Azure AI services resource. Now there's a function, Python function given. Your goal is to create a free Azure resource in the West US region specifically for generating captions of images. Which method call should you use? When we break down the question, the keywords are create a free Azure resource in West US region for generating captions of images. These are the keywords and I have put those keywords in bold. So we have to create a free resource in West US region for generating captions of images. Now let us look at the code. So that is the function and the name of the function is create resource. The parameters are resource name, kind, account tier and location. And there are 4 options to choose from. So our very first aim is to select which resource is used for generating captions of images. So we have to figure out to use which resource. So one of the resources is computer vision. So what does computer vision do? Let us go to the Microsoft documentation. Computer vision is also known as Azure AI Vision. So this service is used for processing images and returning information based on the visual features present in the image. These are the services provided by computer vision. One is optical character recognition, extracting text from images. Next is image analysis. It will analyze the image and extract visual features from images. And next is video analysis. So let us have a look at what is image analysis. Image analysis of AI vision service can extract a wide variety of visual features from your images. So what do they mean by visual features? What are these visual features? So it is like identifying and tag visual features in an image. So one of the feature is tagging the image. So when we provide the image, it will generate the tags. Next is detect objects in image, detect brands in the given image, categorize an image and describe an image. So describe an images, it will generate a short description based on the image provided. So I'll show you one more documentation which is here and it is called the image analysis API and there is a Python code provided in this documentation where you can see get the captions, descriptions from the response with confidence level. So what they meant by captions is descriptions actually. So from this it's clear that the service which we have to use is the image analysis API of computer vision. That is what is used to generate captions for the image. Now let us get back into the question. So we have figured out which service to use. It is computer vision. Now there are 2 options with computer vision in it. Again, I would like to clarify what custom vision prediction resources. So in custom vision, we train a model with our own data, with our own images and after training, we'll deploy the model and use it. That is what is custom vision is for. So there are 2 endpoints for custom vision. One is the training endpoint and other is the prediction endpoint. Training endpoint is to train the model and prediction endpoint is to test the model after training. So that is what custom vision prediction resources. So we have already eliminated the option B and D. Now we have 2 options remaining which is A and C. Now the first parameter is resource name. So resource name can be anything. You can give any name to your resource. So So let the resource name be res1. Now the service is computer vision. The next requirement is to create a free Azure resource. So there are two types of resources. One is F0, which is the free one, and then there is S0, which is the standard one. So that is the paid one. So we need a free resource. So the argument to pass is F0. Now the region is West US. So the argument will be West US. So the correct option is option A, where the function is create resource and we pass the arguments res1, which is the name of the resource. The kind is computer vision. The tier is F0 and the region is West US. Now, what did we learn from this question? So we understood computer vision service is used for generating captions of images. And also you can create AI resources in F0, the free tier, or the S0, the standard tier.